Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about our 10 money secrets to becoming debt-free and financially smarter.
The truth, people. The truth.
The truth. So, I brought my husband in here because he has a lot of knowledge himself. I've talked about in other videos how much finances are really important to me, and I find them quite fascinating as well. So, I wanted to film this video. It's going to be jam-packed with information, but also funny bits.
Funny bits.
We like our funny bits. So, if you're new, consider subscribing, but let's just jump into our very first secret. Get a second income. Like I did.
Background on the green screen?
Well, hey, sleepyhead.
I'm gonna order a camera and lighting.
For what exactly?
I'm gonna start a YouTube channel.
YouTube channel, she says.
Yes.
Okay. One thing, you don't like public speaking.
Yeah, but the thing, you just set up the camera, you talk, and nobody sees you or what, and then you post it online for millions to see.
Millions, huh? Millions to see.
You think that's too ambitious?
No, I think, you should do it. You can do it. You can.
I like handbags.
Probably. Well, handbags are cool.
I mean, I could talk about that. I really like it.
Sure.
There's a lot of people that like it.
To handbags.
To handbags. So the gist of this is to think about what makes you happy and try to find a way to make money from it. Now, I didn't go into my YouTube channel thinking, oh, I'm gonna make so much money from this. It was just, I really enjoyed doing it, and it slowly kind of built up into what it is now, and I do make some money from it. I still have my other job too, but it is a second income. So just think about what you love to do. Maybe you like organizing, making something, figure out a way to make a second income. Number 2, take it away, Josh.
Okay, this is a little bit boring, but stay with me. It's extra important. You need to set up a
Roth IRA.
What's a Roth IRA? That's a great question. A Roth IRA is specifically designed as a retirement account, which you put your earned money into, and when you're 59, you can take that out tax-free. You hear me? Tax-free. There's nothing else like that on the market for retirements. You need to have one. Get one. So talk to your finance professional. They will be able to explain what's best for your situation.
And I got one when I was 18. So if you're like a mom out there and you've got a working kid coming up, set them up. Have them right track financial future. Number 3, so even though retirement is really important, it's also really important to focus on paying off any debt. So we really recommend that you pay off the debt with the highest interest rate first. A lot of people, Dave Ramsey, say that you should pay off the debt with the smallest balance, like the smallest amount first. It builds momentum, and that's all fine and dandy, I guess. But really, if you have a credit card that's 17% interest, you are literally throwing money away every month. That is so high. So get that out of the way. Focus on that first.
You'll save money in the long run, and that's what you want to do. One second. Are you serious? I got the bonus! Oh, I'm thinking vacation. How about Bermuda, Fiji, oh, Tahiti? Well, probably just Atlantic City, but we're still going on vacation. Bonus vacation, bonus and vacation. Yeah, okay, that is not what you want to do, okay? If you get a tax refund or a bonus check from work, you're not gonna go spend it on a lavish vacation. No, you're gonna be responsible and you're gonna put it into the debt we just talked about. Look, it's not glamorous, okay? But it's the hard work you need to do now to be financially secure later, and I'm telling you, it pays dividends.
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 And I don't want you to think that you can never have fun. We're gonna get to that in a minute, so just hold tight. Number 5, pay with cash.
This is the Pochette Matisse.
Everybody wants this bag.
I know, this is our last one.
Is this crooked?
What? No. That is supposed to be like that. That's how they're made. That's how they're made.
I'll take it.
Oh, great.
I'll pay cash.
Oh, cash.
I thought you just said cash. No, not cash. You pay with a credit card, but you pay it off. Okay then, I will pay with my credit card.
Ah, great.
This is my credit card in which I will pay off the full balance at the end of the month.
That's very responsible of you.
Yes.
Let's ring that right up for you.
So what we mean with this is don't actually pay with cash. Put it on a credit card, pay it off every single month, and then you build a better credit score. It's good if in the future, if you need a car loan, you probably get a better interest rate, which also, using a credit card leads us to number 6.
Number 6 is you can get a credit card that has great cash back. We're talking free money. Does anybody like free money?
Yes.
I like free money. So use a credit card, pay it off every month. You get the cash back. I mean, I don't know how much we make every year, but It's
hundreds and hundreds
yeah,
of
hundreds
dollars.
and possibly even thousands where you're getting free money. You pay the credit card
Yeah,
off
there's
every
really
month.
no reason not to do it. Number 7 is to set specific goals in paying off debt. So literally look at your calendar, look at a future date, and think about, by this date, by December of 2020, I want to pay off X amount of dollars on this. And if you have a specific date in mind, you can work towards that goal. It really helps plan everything out and keeps your mind on track.
Okay, number 8, you need to cut the fluff out of your life. How many subscriptions do you have that you don't use? Like cable. Do you even watch cable anymore, or do you just watch YouTube? You know, go out to eat less. That's an easy one. And maybe like Starbucks, lattes, Americanos. Who doesn't love those? I know somebody that does a little too much, so cut back on that. The little things make such a big difference, so use these little tips.
Number 9 is all about the free entertainment. So, like I said before, this doesn't have to be like awful. Like, you really can have a good time for free. Maybe go hiking, explore the outdoors, have some good family time. Maybe have a family game night or a friend game night. Have everybody over to your house. Have them bring a dish so that you don't have to really pay for food. Everyone contributes. There's festivals, like music festivals, free things in your city. Just look up some free entertainment. It's really not that bad, and you can save so much money. Number 10, this is the complicated one.
Hey, if you made it this far, comment down below.
Yeah, comment below.
I made it.
Now, if you did all of these other 9 things and you feel like you're in a pretty good financial spot and you have a little extra money to play with, you need to invest in the stock market, okay? I know it's a little bit scary, but you need to invest in an index fund. Talk to a financial professional. But the thing is, you want to put a little money in, maybe every month, maybe every 6 months, but a little bit goes a long way, and you don't take it out, okay? This is all about delayed gratification.
And it's going to compound over time.
Yes, compounds over time, and you make money for yourself, you make money for your family. It's just a really good thing to do. Again, talk to a professional, but get the ball rolling. So that does it for this video. Thank you, Josh, for being in it.
Anytime.
And I hope you guys took away some practical financial tips on becoming debt-free and financially smarter. So thank you again, and I'll see you very soon in my next one. Bye.